G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 17, 2023. This is the US S&P 500 update. Got the daily, the 4-hour and the hourly, and the 4-hour and hour charts are both in an upswings with the CCI 1500 and moving average 400. You'll notice the daily has broken up through the moving average, but the moving average is still in a downtrend, so very cautiously going long only on the hourly time frame based on the 4-hour trend. I wouldn't be going long on the 4-hourly time frame because the daily still shows a potential downswing. You see it's hitting this key resistance area, and I'll drill down to each chart for a bit more clarity. So you can see here it's hit this resistance and it's bounced off that at 41.63, and I've also drawn this descending trend line across those tops, and we may see a bit of a retracement to the downside riding on that descending trend line, so we'll just see how it goes. I've also drawn this Fibonacci retracement, so if it breaks, it may come and bounce off this 23% initially, and that aligns with this descending trend line as well. The key area to watch is this 61% level. If it breaks below that, then there's further declines. But the key main indicator to watch is the CCI. If that continues on a downswing, then it's going to be further declines coming. On the 4-hour chart, I've drawn also these two diagonal trend lines, and it did form a wedge initially. Now I've left them in there because it may gravitate towards either or both of them. You can see there it gravitated towards that declining trend line, and it's bounced up off this key resistance, and it may come back down towards that. But if it breaks through there, and especially if it breaks below this ascending trend line, then we're going to see potentially further declines, and that'll come and probably breach our key 61% Fibonacci retracement. But again, we'll play that if it happens. Again, the CCI in a moving average is still in a pretty nice upswing. On the hourly chart, again, bullish momentum mainly, but again hitting this key resistance, and that, by the way, was on this Fibonacci extension drawn. It hit the 38% extension level based on that little drawback on that one. So again, if it breaks above that resistance, then we're going to see further upside from here. So avoid, or very cautiously going long, but especially if it breaks this resistance, then there are probably better long trades to be made. Also, looking at the daily, we should see that if that continues and breaks above that resistance, we should see the daily break with this moving average break to the upside as well. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach and avoid, if you get caught out going in the opposite direction, reference on the links in the description below. Subscribe and like us on Patreon, and we'll see you in a future video. Thanks for watching.